So this is cholestyramine. This is a prescription oral suspension that you can mix into water or juice, and you drink it on an empty stomach a few times a day. And this is known in the Lyme/mold world as a detox binder. So it binds to the toxins in your system and flushes them out. And so I have those reasons for taking this, and it's also been recommended as something that can help histamine issues, which my LLNP and I suspect that I may have an issue with that because I've been reacting to foods. Yeah, I have reactions soon after food. They're sort of bizarre symptoms that I can get after food, and it's not just, you know, the usual itching that you hear of with histamine reactions, you know, itching and hives and all that sort of thing. But from what I understand, histamine reactions can manifest in other ways as well. So that's what we suspect. So there's, you know, 3 different reasons for me to take this: the mold, the Lyme, and the histamine. So I had mold exposure in my old apartment, and I moved here and did a mold test, and we found out that there's mold at a level that's not good for my sensitive genetics. So we had remediation done here, and right after well, around when I found out that there was mold here too, I stopped this because I had mentioned to my my specialist that I felt like I was reacting to this. I would have symptoms, you know, really soon after taking this, and she said that some patients seem to not do well with this if they're experiencing continued mold exposure. So that she will recommend you to do the remediation and then start taking this to avoid that. So now that's done. Well, actually, we still have to wipe down the house, but the mold infestation in the air system was removed, and that whole part was replaced. So I'm going to start this back up again. So this one has sucrose in it, and I'm not really crazy about the sucrose because you probably know that it's not a good idea to have artificial anything, really. If you can help it, it's good to stay natural, and artificial sugar isn't a good idea. But with something like this, you know, the benefits would outweigh that that deterrent there, you know. So it's an orange drink, and it's a little gritty. It's not the best tasting thing in the world, but I suppose because my diet has been so limited, it's sort of interesting to taste something that's a little different for me. So it's not something that I would want to drink normally. Yeah, it's not really that great, but you know, if it does the job, that's what I care about. If chewing bark every day would help my symptoms, then I would do that. So I'll show you what it looks like. It's like an orange powder, and it comes with a little scoop here, and you do a scoop in water or juice a few times a day on an empty stomach. So that's that. You got a movie on. She's screaming. Okay. That's that.